All right, let's continue with our DEI workshop website. I took the day off yesterday. My apologies, but we're still gonna keep rocking and rolling. So today I'm gonna do something real quick and easy. It's called a countdown. SharePoint has a web part that's a countdown web part that allows you to count down to a big event. So the National Diversity and Leadership Conference is a conference that a lot of DEI people go to. So maybe I want my DEI professionals and employees on the employee resource group or anybody inside of the organization, I want to let them know about this big event. It's a big deal. So I'm going to put a countdown on the page, and then I'm going to link it so that they can go and register to that conference. Okay, we are back at the site. We got our picture, we got our link to the climate survey. You click that button to take the survey. You got a link to our policies, we got our mission, we got our buttons. We've been cooking this up for a few days now. Now let's add that countdown web part. In order to do that, you click edit on the page, and then I'm going to put this at the bottom of the page. I'm going to click the plus sign. I got to hover over there and get the plus sign. Then I'm going to get the countdown timer. So here I'm going to put the name of the conference, which is the National Diversity and Leadership Conference. Pretty big deal. Or one of the big deals, you know what I mean? So we're going to put that as the title. So National Diversity and Leadership Conference. We'll do that. Then when is it? So it's March 18th to the 21st of 2024. Too easy. We will then make that our date. So you got to edit the web part. Click the pencil, and then just pick on the calendar where you want to go. So we want to go March, 18th? 18th, right? And then let's just make it midnight. No big deal. Then that will set us up for the whole day. Now, we don't need days, hours, minutes, and seconds. It's a while away, so let's just make it days. 146 days away. Cool. More than enough time. Now, let's turn on the call to action. And the call to action is we want them to register. So I'm going to copy this link just so they can get to this page and they can see that and then click the register. So I'll paste that link right in here. I'll say, let's say, register here. That's easy. So put that in there. Let's grab a picture. Now I'm going to use the picture that came off of that site that I just took. Which is this right here. The picture has a bunch of words in it, which, was kind of jacked up. But that was the only picture I could find. Plus, I'm only just trying to give you an example of how this works. Now, look at all this clashing. So I'm going to change this bar right here so it doesn't show so much. We just fade it out in the back. So now let's put this little sentence right here. This is a great conference you don't want to miss. And now we republish the page and we're good to go. It's done. But take a look at this. You got to scroll down to even see this. I don't like that. You know what I mean? This is a pretty big deal. I want it to be top of mind, above the fold, as they would say, when people come to the page. I don't want people to have to scroll down to see it. Now, there's an easy way to do that. I'm just going to move it around, and the way we do it is by editing the page. And then, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the climate survey information, I'm gonna move that button over to the left, let that take up that space over there, and then I'm gonna drag that button to the moved button to the left. Looks a little bit better over there, like that. And then I am going to drag this up to that open space. So let's take this up here, and now look, we have both of our important things at the top of the page. Let's republish. So on the left, we got them easily taking the survey, and on the right, we got them registering for the conference. Two important things sitting at the top of the page. When you click on the button, it takes you to the page. See that? Now, I think there's a better way to make this look, because I don't like all of this white space down here. It's just way too much. Let's rearrange this a little bit, make it look a little bit better. Remember, this is the thing about SharePoint pages that I like to point out, is that it's just super easy to do these things. You saw how easily I moved the conference information from the bottom of the page up. Now watch this. I'm going to move the conference information to the left. I'm going to take the survey information and move that to the right. Just drag that text over there above the button, hit republish, and now look at this. The conference takes up a bigger space, but it doesn't seem like we've wasted so much white space. So, and again, you get the most important thing to the left, which is the conference that you want people to sign up for, and then you still got your server on the right. Too easy, peasy, lemon squeezy. You all right?